The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Where are going?
Lava, where are you?
Where's our going?
I think, but they wait for the general for see you are going, car.
No, Mr. Him Vice, no, Foota I said him thing now can correct us him.
Lie, man, tell you, man, don't lie. You want your giant team life, my liar.
What do you mean?
Tell you, him go like imagine, my liar. He want you for giant him life, to be the man.
Oh.
Tell you about that views thing I think a joke. I make him tell you nothing, my liar. You know, see, pan in life, I call people pan in life. How him one phone that happened to? He won't import that more nobody else?
No, but him add on the life. No, add on the life. I know it's a him Vice when I see him.
Him do it. Him do it. It's easy for do. You have to learn him thing that, Jackie, we know everything about the net. Him do it, my life, make him trick you.
So why Foota would I do that?
Why I'm gonna do it tight is because I'm like him I run down control the view because him can't watch him a while ago from my next phone.
Yeah.
From his other phone, tell somebody to call him and him go on. Say him I say he want you to call him. That he want. What wrong with that? We just petty. Man too boring, man. I say ishawna leff him.
Bumbo clad.
I say I that's a stand up when girl, you know. I know man can't stick with my girl. Blood clot. Pouring in blood clot, boy. We're a big football.
No, but listen what I'm saying to you. No, but listen.
Laugh, no pick up for nobody. The people them want to see you. Who a Foota important more nobody? You know, say me I can sting now keep. Me I keep.
Bumbo clad.
Me burning. It's a two show me a bear on that brother. In a COVID-19 now. I am a style you. I mean, a man style you, brother. The man say your show a hot show because you run past him. Boy, my viral thing. It's boring, that's why I ishawna leff him. Bam, 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 bam.
Hey, lava! Hold up on them out, let them know. You feel what?
I tell them not have like me. Them afraid of me, you know. I me tell you something, lava. You know why enough of them don't like call me name? Them know me bad from morning. Me bad. When
me not like shut and laugh, have a buzz.
When me talk them bad.
So Wednesday gone, you up on the show and you just run up on some people. Like your Foota ever have a problem before? If you run up on Foota like this?
I me tell you what me I pray them. It's a free spirit, man. Me love help.
Yeah.
See? Stinky. Foota selector. Me I MC. I find that some know so them that try to take over Sting, you know. A man, I clash with Mataran and Keep Rich. And all of a sudden, I see man at on MC. I say, I have to ask man when I time so Foota. But me then, you know, work already for a night. The man want all heal and everything, want to take over. That's why I know them, you know. I know him from them time there. I know him. Style the man, style you. Lava, I want you. You know, say you show at and for money. You're blind. Lava, you run the cut. You see? Me not run down the viral thing, you know. Right now, you are the viral king. Look how easy you take it.
My make people hate for them tired. Stop it.
That not like being a lava. That me not like. You see, you have a thing in chat and laugh. See? When we talk real
right.
Thing, we give you real thing. Me them trader.
Okay.
You hear me tell you?
Yeah.
No make your man style.
Yeah, your Wi-Fi look blurry though. Nuffy.
Yeah, maybe I took the battery that day car. Me I watch and wait and me I say, boy, man, I come mash up the show, you know. Lava people, them a wait for it. Nothing just come mash up and dog face come mash up and talk a bag of things. You know, since I make all dog face no company net live and with you, you know see?
Nah, man. World dog, something big that give problem, man. Nuffy.
A man put up, say, me see him put up, I say, on stage, I go interview. The man run go call on stage interview. Lava, ya leader, that me I tell you, see they go on, I can't pick up for them. When them beat me bad, you know. Them just can't manage me. Lava. Oh, the man depends. He's depending live right now, you know. He's depending live right now. See? And he want you to call in. Remember, all we support each other, you know.
Right.
One of your times to be viral. And you're a lead. A lava, viral king now. Lava, you're the boss. And it's the truth. So, me no, lava, I want you with me, no lava. Me bust before Foota, me big long time, you know. I mean, enough, you know, can't change, you know, have enough time that game, you know. So, me have to come and fight now, and now hold it now and call it back again. Are you want to? Give me benefit, I don't. Call him on him show.
No, but I have to end my show.
See? So, me I tell you.
You're not going to end my show for that. Not even sure for that.
Lava. Oh, yeah. You brother call. Oh, yeah, do something. You just say, I him, I feel night. And all of a sudden, you never say, all of us, why your problem? Him not call and tell them nothing about that or re. But if I did one of the people them where them did feel like, say, them should have depend and show, them would make it possible that it work. Why never call up on the next phone we have? When I get the 80 views span?
How much?
80 views.
What's it?
Not the type of views.
It's over.
Not the type of...
Hey, be a fucking chat there, Nuffy.
The main truth, brother, listen to me. Man said I'm a viral king from where here. The main truth, what you people? Lava. He might have another channel, you know. He might have another channel. Why don't call it on a channel?
You must try to say, man.
Eh?
Okay, Nuffy.
Lava, me tell you, them a run down views, me and news. Peer views, man, them run down. Peer views. Who get more views? See that now, Lava? I don't see a babe, so I don't see a go on, so. Eh? And for the man come out, you see me 3,000 views and then see us drop back. And you reach at 80 views. Lava, I see everybody a forward fan. From Lisa Mercedes, from Nuffy to Dog Face, to Yami, Pretty Dan, and the world works. Look at die now. World's again. So much people. You're at.
Pampute.
Me did say me not call the people, you know, you can't come like it. Me know them things that me really have to call them names. You know what I mean? But you chat and laugh. The man for just come and we are this is now the time where people are you and people want to hear you and enough for them want you. Enough time, not getting time, not getting time.
Okay.
Not getting time, not getting time one night already, man. See, me tell them, say I know me call people and people always call me. Me just support.
Right.
So I don't style the man be. I style the man Foota, no bother with that. Yeah. Me time up now, man. See, man, I say me time up the man. Call it viral king, man.
Alright then.
Me time up, man. Alright, my people. Bye.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. This is the Dancehall. I am here again. Now, I just presented a video to you. And, you know, the person that is known as MC Nuffy said something about the viral king. You see me? And this whole viral king thing have me thinking. You see what I'm saying to you? By the way, the video that I just presented to you shows two persons. One person goes by the name of Lava. You see what I'm saying to you? I know him as Lava due to social media. You see what I'm saying to you? And the next person goes by the name of MC Nuffy. Some persons might call him just Nuffy. You understand me? Now, this video is out on social media, and according to what I've been said about this video on social media is that this video is a live recording. and some comments had been made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that persons are saying that MC Nuffy disrespected two persons. One person who goes by the name of Foota Hype and another person who goes by the name of World Dawg. Right? Some persons might also call the person who is known as World Dawg Facebook hero. Now, this viral king thing that MC Nuffy mentioned, you see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, this viral king thing, you know? Viral king. You know, it had me thinking, viewers and subscribers. I'm telling you, it had me thinking, you know? I mean, I'm wondering if this viral king, if it is just a Jamaica thing, or a Jamaican thing, you get what I'm saying to you? Or is it a worldwide thing? You see me? And either way, you know, I'm wondering who is the real viral king. That I'm wondering right about now. You understand me? Alright, but I just saw it go still. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, just let me know what you think about some of the things that MC Nuffy had said. You see it? I'm not going to say much about this video. Alright, and you know, also let me know what you think about this thing that is known as viral king. You see me? Yeah, help me to understand what is a viral king or who is the viral king. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, help me to know if it is just a Jamaican thing or if it is a worldwide thing. You see? I'm not Mr. Know-It-All, so I'm not afraid to ask questions. You understand? Alright, so here's where I leave it, viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.